Skipper, the beach-loving Labrador, adored the sea. Every morning, the playful dog would race toward the waves, ears flapping, tail wagging, barking with joy. To him, the ocean was pure freedom. But one afternoon, the sky turned gray. The waves, once gentle, rose like giants crashing, roaring, wild. Skipper froze at the shoreline. For the first time, the Labrador didn't leap. He watched. Wave after wave smashed down loud, endless. But between them, moments of calm. And Skipper, the curious dog, noticed. He studied the rhythm, the stillness, the hidden pattern in the storm. And when the moment felt right, Skipper stepped forward. Not in fear and focus. Not with a bark, but with awareness. One paw. Then two. The ocean hadn't changed. But the Labrador had. Courage isn't in the noise we make. It's in the wisdom to wait, and the strength to rise when the time is right.